Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to code faster in VS Code using Emmet shortcuts. Let's start with something simple. If I want to create a div with a class name, instead of typing it out, I can just write div.classname and hit tab or enter. See how it expands into this nice div structure. So quick. Now, let's say I want to create a div with a tag inside it. All I need to do is type div A and press tab. Look at that, it generates this structure for me. Emmet understands that the greater than means I want the tag to be a child of the div. If you want to add text inside a tag, write your text inside curly braces and Emmet is going to handle it for you. Need multiple elements? No problem. Let's create a UL with 3 li items inside. Type UL greater than li asterisk 3 and press tab. Instantly, we get a UL with 3 li tags inside. This asterisk 3 tells Emmet how many li elements we want. What if you want sibling elements, for instance, an h1 followed by a p tag? Just type h1 plus p and hit tab, simple. You get an h1 tag followed by a p tag, both on the same level. Let's mix and give an example. Need to add an ID to your element? Easy. Type div hashtag uniqueID and press tab. Now we've got a div with an ID attribute. You can even add text inside your elements with Emmet. For example, if I type p hello world and press tab, it will create a p tag with the text hello world. Already inside, it saves a lot of typing. Now let's combine everything we've learned so far. Type div hashtag header h1 welcome plus p. This is my website. Plus ul li asterisk 3. Press tab and watch how it generates a div with an ID of header, an h1 with the text welcome, a p tag with some text, and a ul with 3 li elements. Isn't that amazing? If you put a $, an asterisk, Emmet is going to help you to create that much items and also help you to change context of the text as well. Let's check this example and see how it works. These are just some of the tricks you can use with Emmet in VS Code to speed up your HTML coding. Try them out, and you'll be coding faster in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Code World.